Hey guys, so sorry, I'm back again. Just ended my other video. Finished uploading it right now. Well, it's not finishing, it's still processing. So, yeah, anyways. So, I'm going to show you guys. Anyways, guys, sorry about that. Somebody just walked in. I also want to get myself some Sour Patch Kids that my aunt got me. That my aunt got me for my birthday. But I barely eat candy. So, sorry about that. I just told the person to, not say anything during the video. These were, the giant watermelons. This is a giant can. This video is sponsored by Mega Big 2 times bigger Sour Patch Kids. I'll give you a little look inside. I ate some yesterday. I don't know if that's what kept us up. I have a little blue one. Anyways, guys. Back to the point of the video. Back to the point of the video. Putting a little bit of slime back in the container. This video, the point of the video is I have multicolor alarm clock. It tells you the time, if it's PM or AM. It's like a smart alarm clock, except you can't play Roblox on it, obviously. It's probably a really rare kind of alarm clock that you can search the web or something. But this is a smart alarm clock. It probably costs $100 or something. I don't know how much regular alarm clocks usually cost, but I know this one was expensive because it comes with a lot of options. So it tells you the time, it tells you the day of the week, it tells you the month and the date. It also tells you the temperature. It tells you if it's going to be a full moon. The moon is orangey green in that picture. It's kind of creepy. And it also tells you the time again. It tells you when you want to wake up. So this is what it looks like. If you guys have an alarm clock like this, try and comment down below. That's something you can comment about if you really have nothing to say. Wow, genius. So I don't think I put the title on my last video, so I'm gonna have to put it there or nobody's gonna watch it. But This one's sour. Very sour, actually. I'm a genius because I have that little white arch at the bottom of my thumb. I don't know. See it? But sadly, I don't have it on the bottom of my fingers. I had pink nails, but I peeled them off because my hair kept getting caught under them whenever I touch it. But I kept this silver one because I like it, and my hair never got caught under it. And yeah, guys, so I want to get like a French manicure, except this one is like a silver glitter, which it already is, so yeah, or gold. But that was like, this is gonna sound really strange, but that was my second time getting my nails done at the nail salon, because I barely ever get my nails done. I'm not like everybody else, I'm kind of different. And my refrigerator is farting again. Only a few left. Gotta save some. I can't wait to unbox this. I actually might unbox it tonight to wake up at 6 o'clock. But I don't know my busing routes. It's really retarded because on the paper it says you have to, this is highly recommended. You should really get to the bus stop 10 minutes before the bus comes. But it never said. It makes no sense because it never even said when the bus stop is supposed to come. So all I know is I'm going to set my alarm clock to 6 o'clock. And if the bus comes earlier than that, maybe 5:30 or 5:45. But I think somebody's going to come out the door. So let me never mind. Guys, I'm back. I'm getting a new laptop because this one, freaking crappy Mohong coming from the freaking dumpster, probably did. But it kept switching off the internet. And the internet, it has like all bars on right now. But I'm still gonna ask if I can get a new laptop. Because I'm not gonna take the chance to keep this one and it's fine, the Wi-Fi got back again, but next thing you know it switches off again and I have to wait till a week to have the Wi-Fi turned back on, because every other electronic device is connected except for me for the whole entire day, even freaking 3 a.m. But anyways, this video is going to end and 30 seconds. So I hope you guys liked it. And this video was sponsored by a lot of things. But anyways, thanks for watching. This looks like so far a good alarm clock. Get it if you want. And this video is gonna end in 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 9 seconds, 8 seconds. So bye guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe if you like this video. If you comment, like, subscribe.